Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real. I'm about to get crazy authentic, and it's a pretty embarrassing, weird story. Yeah. So today's topic is all about sharing an unexpected, funny story. I'm gonna skip past the engagement shoot and go straight to the wedding where me and my friend Steph was second camera. She was second camera for me, or with me. And we were shooting a wedding, and toast time came around, and the bride and the groom were the last to say their thank yous and their speeches and their toast and blah, blah, blah. And I'm on one side of a room filled with 220-ish people. Steph's on the other side of the room with, shooting and doing the same thing. And the bride begins to share her experience with her amazing photographers and how much she loves us and how she had such a great time on her engagement shoot and how she loved the creativity and everything that was poured into the wedding day and the engagement shoot. And she kept coming back to the engagement shoot. I'm like, what's going on here? And then she came back to the moment at the engagement shoot when yours truly here had a bit of a Marilyn Monroe moment with his kilt up in Duluth by the big bridge and stuff like that. And to say that that was embarrassing, probably not. I've had much worse happen, but nothing like hearing 220-ish people roaring with laughter as your client begins to share a very outrageous, outlandish moment on their engagement shoot with me. So all I'm gonna say is fruit basket coming right up. Okay, let's wrap it up. Oh my gosh, because I'm about to get really embarrassed. I can definitely tell you Steph was on the other side of the room crying, laughing so hard. I was laughing hysterically. A few members of the family were like, oh my gosh. And I'm like, please. And it takes a lot more to really, really embarrass the crud out of me. But that was a funny moment. What about you? Did you have a funny moment with your client or on a photo shoot or just in general? If you did, share downstairs in the kilt zone. Oh yeah, baby, in the kilt zone. And you know what time it is for this particular episode. Wrap it up. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live. Big shadow. Here we go. Big, not as big. Yeah. Live from EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, very much so on this episode, authentic. Yeah. And this episode was all over the board. Squirrel. You know what time it is. Chicken banana. I still got that song stuck in my head, and it's weird. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much. If you're following, thank you so much. Make sure you hit the bell, the notifications, like, comment, share. Sharing is caring. Hit the bell for ding-dong notifications, and remember to do something properly before the next episode. Wonder what it could be. Stay caffeinated. Oh yeah, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. I'm back. Am I? Okay, I'm leaving. I'm coming. Should I stay or should I go?